How to use Airbnb experiences. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go out to quick and easy on how you can use Airbnb experiences. Well, to use Airbnb experiences, you want to navigate to the experiences tab on the Airbnb website or the app. I'm on the website here. You can see airbnb.com. By default, you'll be on this home tab, but you want to click on experiences tab and you want to proceed to experiences tabs. Now here you can search for activities in your desired locations. For example, you can search where and who. So, for example, you can search your destination here. I will search in Toronto, Canada. I will search it from this days to this, and I can search here and I'll get the waterfalls experience, city experience, and such. So from here, you can filter results as well by activity. So you can see you can filter experience type, traveler type, duration, language offered, and other accessibility features. So this is how you can use Airbnb experiences on Airbnb. Hope this video helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.